Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a key concept in business development: strategic partnerships. These partnerships are more than just formal agreements between two companies. They can unlock growth opportunities, provide access to new markets, and even give businesses the resources they need to innovate. In a world where business rarely succeeds alone, knowing how to form and manage strategic partnerships can give you a serious competitive advantage. This lecture will allow you to understand why strategic partnerships are essential for business growth, learn how strategic partnerships can open new opportunities and markets, recognize different types of strategic partnerships and how they benefit businesses. A strategic partnership is a mutually beneficial agreement between two or more businesses where they collaborate to achieve shared goals. These partnerships are often long term and focus on creating value for all parties involved. The aim of a strategic partnership is to leverage the strengths of each partner to achieve growth, enter new markets, develop new products, or gain a competitive edge. Strategic partnerships are different from simple vendor relationships or short term collaborations. They are built on trust, shared objectives, and the idea that together the partners can achieve more than they could individually. One of the biggest benefits of strategic partnership is gaining access to new markets. Often, entering a new market can be difficult, especially if you lack local knowledge, contacts, or resources. By partnering with a company that already has a presence in that market, you can overcome these challenges and establish a foothold much faster. Uber partnered with local ride hailing companies in regions like Southeast Asia and Latin America to expand their reach. These local companies understood the market better and had built in customer bases, allowing Uber to expand more effectively. Strategic partnerships also provide access to resources and expertise that your business might not have internally, whether it's technical expertise, financial backing, or supply chain management. Partnering with another company can help you fill in the gaps and grow faster. Apple and IBM formed a strategic partnership to combine Apple's consumer friendly products with IBM's enterprise solutions. Apple's hardware and user experience combined with IBM's cloud and analytical services allowed both companies to offer something neither would have achieved on their own. Collaboration with other businesses can spark innovation. By sharing knowledge, technology, or ideas, companies can co develop new products or services. This kind of partnership often results in faster innovation and entry into new market segments. In the pharmaceutical industry, it is common for smaller biotech firms to partner with larger pharmaceutical companies. The biotech firms bring new technologies or drugs to the table, while the larger companies offer the financial backing and regulatory expertise to bring these products to market. Entering new markets or developing new products can be risky. Strategic partnerships allows companies to share the risk. Instead of shouldering the financial and operational burden alone, businesses can distribute the risks and rewards among their partners. Let's talk about the partnership between Starbucks and PepsiCo. Starbucks wanted to enter the ready to drink coffee market, but they did not have the distribution network to make it happen. PepsiCo, on the other hand, had one of the most extensive beverage distribution networks in the world. By forming a strategic partnership, Starbucks gained access to PepsiCo's distribution channels, allowing them to successfully launch bottled frappuccinos and other ready to drink coffee beverages in grocery stores. This partnership significantly boosted Starbucks' revenue and market presence. Strategic partnerships allow companies to combine their strengths to create new opportunities and enter markets they wouldn't be able to access alone. Think of strategic partnerships like a relay race. In a relay race, one runner passes the baton to the next, and each runner contributes their strengths to win the race. In business, partnerships work the same way. Each company brings something valuable to the table, whether it's resources, expertise, or market access. and together they can achieve goals faster and more effectively than they could on their own. Choose a well known business partnership and analyze it. Focus on what each partner brought to the table and how the partnership benefited both parties. Write a 500-word analysis that discusses why the partnership was successful and what lessons can be learned from it. What are your thoughts on today's topic? Do you think partnerships are crucial for business development, or do you see risk in partnering with other companies? I would love to hear your insights and any examples you have come across in your own experience. Feel free to bring your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for your attention today. In the next lecture, we will be looking at how to approach and build partnerships effectively, including strategies for negotiating and managing long term relationships. I look forward to seeing you then.